Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is super exciting because I will be working with Voice of Hair today. They did send me a new product that literally just launched, and I'm super excited to share it with you guys. So this is a Black owned company, Voice of Hair. They did create a hair elixir. It does have biotin, black seed oil, and black castor oil. It's vegan, alcohol free, paraben free, and does not contain any mineral oil. This is a 2 fluid ounce container, and I love this dropper spout. It's literally perfect for if you have protective styling and you just want to keep your cornrows moisturized and keep your hair healthy and growing while it's in cornrows, or you can apply it like I'm doing when your hair is out prior to styling. I believe you can use it as a hot oil treatment and all sorts of different things, and I love this stuff, you guys. It smells amazing, and I can't wait to continue using it to see exactly all the benefits that I will be receiving from it. I also was sent this hair from Sam's Beauty. This hair is Variety Queen hair. It is kinky straight, and I did use one bundle of 20 inches in the color natural black. So thank you, Sam's, for sending over this hair. If you guys are curious about this hair, I will leave a link in the information bar down below, along with a link where you can grab this Voice of Hair hair elixir. If you're not following Voice of Hair online, you can find them on Instagram at Voice of Hair, and you can also find them on Facebook at Voice of Hair. I'll also be doing a Facebook takeover very soon, so make sure you guys are following their Facebook page to get all your hair inspiration and to find out more about their new product launch, which is this hair elixir. So getting back to today's style, I just wanted to do something quick but that was also protective for my hair. So I just added one cornrow on each side of my hair, braiding it down, and I also added just a little bit of extra hair to give me some extra length on the cornrows. Then I just did literally 2 buns in the back. I did 2 top knot buns where I added the kinky straight hair in to give it a little more fullness. So yeah, let me just let you guys watch. I'm gonna stop talking for a second.
Bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire.
So yeah, I just wanted to come back and talk to you guys a little bit about this part. So I just used one bundle of the hair from Sam's Beauty. I literally just cut the bundle in half. I folded one piece of it in half. I literally took the ends of the tracks and just rolled it around my hair, my ponytail. and then I rolled the rest of the hair around my ponytail. So I didn't even use any bobby pins, because I find when I use bobby pins, it tends to hurt after a while. So I started using this method, and then on the end I literally just take another piece of track and literally just wrap it around my hair, so then I can avoid using bobby pins for any part of the ponytail style. So if you're sensitive to bobby pins being in your hair for protective styles, try this. Then I went ahead and just started fixing up my space buns. I always struggle with space buns, especially when I have two and they have to look even. So I literally redid this like 2 or 3 times until I can make them look somewhat even or the same. And then to secure them, I just used small black rubber bands to secure the hairs, so that I wouldn't have to use bobby pins again, like I said, because they tend to hurt me after a while. And this is pretty much the end result. If you guys want to learn more about the hair elixir from Voice of Hair, I would definitely urge you to go over to their Instagram or their Facebook and check them out. Congratulations, Voice of Hair, on launching this product. You know, the owner just works so hard, and I really admire her as a black entrepreneur in this game. So definitely go and support and check her out on her Instagram and her Facebook. And if you're curious about this hair, go ahead and check them out. Check this hair out on sambeauty.com. If I haven't answered any of your questions, please leave it in the comments down below. Make sure you guys are sharing this video, getting the word out about this new product, and supporting Voice of Hair. Thank you guys for supporting me. I love you guys so much and appreciate you tremendously. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.